I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we take freeze-dried to fresh. Today we're going to be making a breakfast scramble.
Yeah.
And I'll be starting with the potatoes. These are potato chunks that have been refreshed in water and then drained, and now they're ready for pan fry. So I'll be heading over to the stove to pan fry them.
Now I'm going to get started on the scramble mix. So we have the eggs.
I love those scrambled eggs. They're so convenient.
I'll try to make them about like that.
Yep.
We're going to do about a single serve today. And some sausage crumbles.
Perfect.
And some cheese. And then I will add a little of the chef's choice and some water. And I'll leave this for a couple minutes to refresh the meat, and then I'll pan fry this. Okay, we just finished cooking our eggs, cheese, and sausage, and now we're going to refresh some vegetables to add to our whole
And
breakfast.
also the potatoes.
Mhm.
All right, so we're just going to add
I'll add a few red peppers. Sorry.
No, that's good. I'll do some green onion. And some white onion. Okay, and that's green pepper. All right, and we're just going to refresh that just a little bit, just to get all of it refreshed. And it just takes hardly any time for these vegetables to refresh.
And we're going to start mixing it all together into our scramble. So we started with our potatoes.
And they're nice and crunchy.
We'll throw in some egg. Is that good for the
Yep.
egg? That's right. Okay. And the vegetables.
That is our breakfast scramble. So,
And if you like this, give us a thumbs up.
and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so, and hit the notification bell so you know when we post again.
And remember,
You can do this too.